So you wanna cancel a montage mid-animation, that's stop montage. Sometimes game change mid-action, the player gets stunned, cancels an attack, or dies. Stop montage keeps your animation reactive. To get this note, just right click and type is stop animation montage or stop anim montage and you will get this note. Now it's targeted character itself. So you don't have to connect anything to target until unless you are cancelling the animation of the enemy character. And also one more thing, it will only cancel the montage that is connected to any montage. So whether you change it to a variable or you just simply specify a specific montage. So let's just remove both of these because we have example prepared where when you press 1 it will start playing a montage which is jog forward montage as you can see on the screen. The target is meshed in that case, but when we press 2 it will stop any montage, and when we specified that montage is jog forward montage then it doesn't need a target, it will stop that montage immediately. I mean, you will know or understand it better when we see it in action. So let's just compile the code and press begin play. So now as you can see, just when I press 1 it start to play the animation, but as soon as I press 2 it stop that montage no matter where it is in its duration of that montage. Now there is only one drawback to this node, which is you have to either promote the anim montage to variable or specify it directly here that which montage it needs to stop. But there is also a solution to it which we will discuss in the next tutorial. So for now let's talk about the real case scenario of this node only. So it is actually used for critical interruptible gameplay, combat, ability casting or emergency transition. Without it animation feels logged and unresponsive. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.